Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to download Facebook videos from URL. So I basically built this Python script. It can actually download the video from Facebook. It can be reels as well, or a normal video post which you there inside Facebook. So if you search, let's suppose I search for any sort of video right here. It's a JavaScript, and you just need this URL of the video. So if you open this, so it can be a reel as well. You can see you just need to copy the address. This is actually the reel here, facebook.com/reel. This is the URL. You simply copy. And now to download this, I've written the script here and I simply paste the URL. So once you paste the URL, and now we just need to go to the terminal, just run the script here. So just see, as I run the script here, you will see on the left hand side the downloading will start, and it will create a folder, and the video has been downloaded. So you will see inside this folder you get your video. It's 44-second long. It also contains the audio as well because I disabled the audio. So you can see audio will also be there. So in this easy way you can download Facebook Reels very easily using this Python script. It is actually a free open source module which is communicating with the Facebook API in the background, GraphQL API, and it can even be a normal video. So it totally depend upon you. It can be a reel, it can be a video. So you can see again I copy the URL and simply paste it. So once again I run this, so you will see the video will again download, and so let me just close this, once again run this because it was open, that was. So in this way guys, you can download any sort of reels or videos from Facebook. So let me show you the module here. So we are actually using this module YTDLP. So this is, if you go to the Python website, this is a third-party module. So simply install this module. The nice thing about this, you don't need any sort of API key. You can basically use it unlimited number of time. So once you install this, the script is very easy. Create a simple app.py file, and now for doing this, we first of all import the module YTDLP. Then we also need the operating system module, and then we simply create a video URL, and here you specify the URL of whichever video you want to download. So you simply copy the address, copy link address and paste it. After that you specify the options where you need to save it. So we need to save it in a folder, download it /videos. So this folder will be created. It will capture the title plus the extension, and then we need to make this folder. For making this folder we use the operating system module make directories function, and here we specify the directory name. So it will be downloaded underscore videos. After that, creating the directory, here we specify the options. So here you can control the quality of the video as well. Inside this JSON object we have three options. First of all, the output template, then the format of the video, and then the MP4 extension. So we want the MP4 video. So after that, now we actually call the function inside this module, and it contains this function ytdl.download, and here we specify the video URL. So that's all. So this is actually the Python script guys, and if I run this script now, you will see it will now download the, so you just need to make sure it is saying YTDL. Sorry, I think YT, yeah, YT underscore DLP, sorry. Just make this change. So I think I made a mistake. Module has no attribute download. Did you mean downloader? Sorry, white. Sorry, this needs YDL. Sorry, YDL. Yeah, so sorry. Yeah, I'm calling this YDL, so this will be YDL. So now run this. You will see it will now download this video. So let's just delete this folder. Once again, run this. So some videos will not download because they are private. So it only works with the public accounts. So just make sure that the account that you're downloading, it's public account. So private accounts reels are not downloaded. So you just need to make sure that you are downloading the video from a public account. So again, you paste that simple address and then run this script. You will see the video will get downloaded. So only the public accounts are supported, guys. Private accounts are not supported. So but I personally use this module. It is very fantastic for downloading videos from Facebook, reels, everything. It's a great module. You don't require any API key, but it is in the background. It is using the GraphQL Facebook API for downloading the video. So really, you can make really awesome applications related to Facebook video downloading. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.